Y'all, this wig right here, it looks so natural and full, the way I wish my natural hair really looked after I straighten it. My natural hair is so fine, but this baby right here is thick, but it's not heavy at all. The hair feels really soft. It is lightweight, but so danky full. And this is supposedly only 150% density. How is this only 150% density? I have no idea. Today's wig is from OMGHerHair. This is the second wig that I've tried out from this hair company. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's wig install for y'all. This is their Kinky Straight 360 unit, and it does have these fitted invisible pieces to tighten this lace in the back. It's completely glueless in the back, but it's fitted. I hope that y'all can see this little clear piece. Like, you can tighten it and wear it up in a ponytail or a bun. I'll show y'all what I mean later on in the video. This wig is 20 inches long, and it does have the 4C kinky edges, so it looks so natural, y'all. And it is an HD 360 wig, so it has HD lace throughout the entire perimeter of this wig. When I tell you, this wig looks bomb, and if you're looking for something that is super versatile, that you can wear up, half down, you can part it in the middle, part it on the side, wear it braided if you want, whatever you want to do, this is the wig for you. This is my first 360 wig that I've tried in a minute, and I'm glad it's this kinky straight texture because it looks so natural. Yeah, I did straighten the hair a bit, but the hair, as you can see, it still has so much volume and texture to it. If you're interested in checking out this wig from OMGHerHair, there will be a link down below in the description box, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you would like to see how I installed this wig today, y'all know what to do. Stay tuned.
Love. Miss Independent, I be loving how you winning. I just wanna go catch your vibe. Ayy, wanna see you in the daytime and not when it only get dark outside. Ayy, type of love I can't hide. Ayy, maybe wanna blow your line. Ayy, you don't finish your line. Ayy, I never wanna blow your high. Look, baby, what's on your mind? Really wanna see your face. Baby, come through and slide. Spend the night at my place. Asking what's on my mind. Wondering how it tastes. Maybe wanna press rewind. Give me that double take. That's on my mind, 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 my mind. That's what's on my mind, on my mind. Exit 110 and hit the 210, cause baby I'm in your section. I know you like to work out, mama. Can I get a late night session? Can we do some late night stretching? Or can we do some late night? Cause talking ain't enough and pictures ain't enough. I'm tired of the late night texts. Look, you been leading me on for a minute. Trying to catch a vibe, pick a song and I'm with it. Girlfriends calling your phone, you should miss it. Why you acting tough when you know you submissive? Calling your bluff on the roll, ain't switching. Ringing doorbell and the rose came with it. And if you really with it, yeah, rose came with it. It's so sweet, pack of honey still dripping. Baby, what's on your mind? Really wanna see your face. Baby, come through and slide. Spend the night at my place. Asking what's on my mind. Wondering how it tastes. Maybe wanna press rewind. Give me that double take. That's on my mind, 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 my mind. That's what's on my mind, on my mind. Yeah, better when you mad me. Yeah, you got better when you mad me, admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. Look, how you you get so good at being modest, girl, be honest. You said you done trusting these niggas, made yourself a promise. I hate to make you take it back. I've been getting paid for rap, ain't talking about the drums. When I tell you I can make it clap, had to make you wait for that. You intrigued with conversation, you be moving dolo, I'm intrigued and I'm in admiration. I can gas you up, but I don't think you need the validation. Still you looking good, natural without no operation. F my old bitch taying, f your old too. Younger me, he wanted street stripes, but they wasn't blue. Now I'm banking on the sweet life when I'm next to you, giving you the credit you deserve, cause it's overdue. You got better when you met me, admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best, I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. You keep it natural, stay in your bag like you wearing satchels. Hey, baby, you a godsend, just missing the sandals. But still, you ain't missing much. Put your hands on my back, that's a different touch. Put your on my plate, I don't skip the lunch. I don't skip the brunch, not the dinner neither. And we hella close, not a centimeter. Getting in between us, are you too turned up? Never turn down though, when there's big energy, when I come around though. So, don't ever switch. Know you've been looking, won't find it like this. Know you've been looking for the head of them curves. I'm Jimmy Johnson with this. I'm Jimmy Johnson with this. That I attest, I'm like running it. Just cycle, I swim and I run. Whatever you need, I'll try out the line with it. Turn on the lights, take a flick. Just don't be running this shit. Hey.
I hope that y'all enjoyed this wig install video. I think this wig is super nice. If you want something that looks natural and full but lightweight, that is very versatile, that you could wear in so many different hairstyles, this is definitely the one for you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're interested in checking out this wig, be sure to click the link down below. There will be a coupon code down there for y'all to save some money on this wig. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you haven't already checked out my last one, be sure to click the box right here and it'll take you straight to it.